Today I'm going to share with you something that is not only going to save you money but earn you money as well. Hi, this is Dr. Christensen. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to show you and demonstrate how to use the Final Squeeze herb press. This is something that I've been working with someone for well over a year, trying to work out the bugs and provide the optimal herb press to press the herbs. Many of you who have attended our classes go home with their jars of herbs that we've made, our remedies, and the recommendation and what many of you are doing is you're using a paint strainer. We love paint strainers to squeeze and squeeze and squeeze the tincture, the alcohol extract out of the herb. And knowing that this is inadequate, having had an herbal manufacturing company and wanting to press and really get every drop out of the tincture, we now have to our service this herb press. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how much extra tincture we can get from using a high quality press. And so what I'm going to first do is I've got my tincture here. I'm going to just pour that into the jar here, and then what I'm going to do is pour the remaining here, and I'm going to hand press it. I generally tell people find the person in the house who's got the strongest grip, and they're going to be the one that does your straining. I find it's a smart idea to use the gloves. You don't want your hands to necessarily smell like the herbs, but additionally, if you've got anything with cayenne in it, that cayenne will get into your skin, and it'll literally, it won't burn you, but it'll be hot as can be for about 6 days. And so here I'm squeezing this pretty good, and so I've got about this much of the tincture, and so measuring what we've got here, I've got right at 6 cups. And so next what we're going to do is we're going to use the Final Squeeze press. I attach this to a jar. The nice thing about this is none of the liquid tincture is going to come in contact with anything that has a moving part, like anything that's greased or lubed. What I do is I set the tray up here. I'm going to lift it up again. We use a little wooden block. My understanding is that's on the next production run. That's not going to be there, and I'm not sure how they're going to do that. And so I've got a 4-ton hydraulic press, and so it'll give me 8,000 pounds of pressure, and I just start jacking it up here. And we're coming in contact with the herb now. And the press is designed with thick enough stainless steel that you can really crank down on this. And so we're not only going to get maximum amount of pressure here, but you'll see that the pulp of the herb is pretty much going to be dry when we're done. And so I know for sure, and I'm my son DeGray, who usually presses our herbs, tells me to tip it, and as you may see, I've gotten a lot more herb there. The manufacturers or the designers tell me that they've got a couple other things that you'll be able to option for, as far as holding the jar and things like that. I'm kind of a no frills minimalist type, and so just by letting it sit in the pressure, it continues to strain. I'm at about 4 ounces. The other thing that you'll notice is the what I'm getting out of here is much darker. It's much richer and higher potency than the initial pouring off, and that's going to be another benefit to you. That's all it's going to go. Okay. The other thing I like about this newer version, we've gone through several prototypes, is it's got some springs here. You can see the springs, and as I turn it, it goes right back down. The earlier versions we would have to manually push it down. Take out my block, and so I've got a stainless steel cage here. Looks like I've got a few drops more I tell people, don't be stingy with the amount of herbs that you use, but be greedy as far as getting the amount. And so here we are with the finished herb. Let me set that aside here, and my wife's not here right now, so I'm going to just dump this right out on the countertop here. And you can see the finished pressing, and this, for all intents and purposes, is dry pulp. And I'm one of those cooks that leaves a mess wherever I go, and so putting that in my jar here, I'm at about 5 ounces, and so 5 ounces of finished product retail value is about $50, and so with 5 additional ounces from the final squeeze press, you're gonna end up paying for this thing probably in about 7 to 10 pressings that you do here. And so it's a great value to have something, and something that we highly recommend. And so instead of my 6 cups of finished product here, I'm going to be just about 2.5 ounces shy of 7 cups. Again, as we're able to squeeze more of the herbal goodness out of our remedies, you're going to really find some extra value there. What you may want to do is go in with a couple friends, 2 or 3 or 4 friends, and that way you'll be able to share and use the unit together. What we do here is when someone wants their herbs pressed and get the maximum amount, we charge them $10 to do the pressing for them. You can do that likewise. Again, it's a great value, and we're really quite excited about it, to be honest with you. So again, consider this. Give us a call. It's not on our webpage yet, but give us a call, 801-360-0749, and we can get you set up with one of these. I don't think they're going to last very long, so if you're considering this, jump right on it. And if you like our videos, be sure to share them and subscribe. Thanks.